Looking to get the most out of your little green seeding machine? Here are 7 quick tips and tricks to help streamline your process for seeding. For efficient seeding in small spaces, use a standard 6-foot foldable table. Arrange 2 rows of 3 trays on the table and roll the seeder over them for smooth seeding. For best results, always use the seeder on a flat and even surface, like a stainless steel or hard plastic table. Putting a slight downward pressure on the seeder as you roll will ensure the wheels keep traction with the table. Got extra space? Adding an extra table or 2 can speed up your workflow even more. When you're done using the seeder, make sure to loosen the brush tension to 1. This simple step will keep your brush in great shape for years. To keep things running smoothly for your team, create a chart with the wheel and roller combos you use for each crop. This makes it easy for staff to quickly find the right settings for each microgreen variety you grow. When using soaked sunflower seeds, let them air dry for a few hours before using them with the seeder. Wet seeds tend to clump, but if they crumble easily without sticking, they're ready to use for the seeder. For peas and sunflower, keep the table clear of excess seed to avoid jams in the wheels. Other seeds don't need this step, so you don't need to worry about it. With these simple tips, your little green seeding machine will save you a ton of time, extend its life, and make seeding much more enjoyable.